I'm going to take you through the Hellowoofy.com analysis to help you understand if this is the right app for you, what are the pros and cons, and some certain other benefits that you could be seeing while using this app, and some competitor analysis. So let's quickly begin. So overall, just to get a gist of it, if you're someone who's looking to create blogs, someone who's looking for an affordable plan, someone who's looking for unlimited posting, unlimited users, and someone who has a lot of content to write in, then this app is for you. Otherwise, there are other apps out there. So why is this app great? One, it's a great tool if you're looking for a time management scheduling tool. It's also great if you're looking for end-to-end from post creation to scheduling to management. And as I just mentioned, it's great if you're looking to create blogs with Medium or any other platform. Since Hellowoofy has really great integrations, it's integrated with apps like Canva. But if you're a solo entrepreneur and you're looking to grow just an Instagram business, could be that you're an influencer, could be that you're a yoga instructor, I think there are better apps out there such as Later, Preview, or Buffer, but hang on to see if this suits your needs. Maybe it does. And then if you're a business owner, which is selling products, starting online on Instagram and then moving on to Shopify, I think one of the competition here is Socialmonials, which we'll talk about in the later slide. That could be a better option for you since it offers analytics, but hang on to see if this works for you. Out of all the comparison that I did, this seems to be the most affordable app out there. So what are some of the quick cons overall? It's that you don't have any free plan available, so you won't be able to hang in there for free for quite a long time. They do offer a 7-day money back guarantee, so that's when you can test the app and work it out, but otherwise there's no other way to really integrate and see how you use it, but there are videos out there which will help you do that. There's no analysis available. So if you're looking to do end-to-end analysis, that's a big con, I would say here, and it has e-commerce limitations, which I will touch base upon when we go through all the detailed pros and cons. So let's quickly look at the pros that this website has. So the first pro that I think is when you navigate into their website or app, it has a super clear explanation of all the features and how to use them. There's a video in every section showing you how to use that, so you're able to effectively get a hang of how things work within the app before signing up. So I think that's a clear indication. Second is blog posts, which I haven't seen in any of the competitors. So this is the only competition that I saw offers blog posts out there. And it's integrated with super useful software such as Canva and Trello. And you can also schedule with tools such as Medium. So if you're someone looking to create blog posts, this is a definite pro here. And we're just going to look at the price plans now, and we will look at the competition later on. So these are the price points they offer. So for a monthly, it's $8.25. They specifically mention it's getting a cup of coffee as their logo, as their USP. Then their agency plan is $12.50, and their annual agency plan is $399. Something that I'm not super clear about that you don't get visibility over is limited auto posting. How many posts can you actually use within this? Now they have a Facebook group, which I'll touch upon, where you can get this information from. But if you go into the big agency plan, that's where you have unlimited auto posting available. But in terms of the connections, this is the greatest that I've seen. You can connect 50 accounts here, 100 accounts here, and 160 social connections. That's crazy. Even in terms of team members, I think this is crazy big numbers. So you should be quite covered. Great in terms of calendars as well. Great that you can do newsletter management within these two plans, blog management, reminder posting. So some really great features here, and then you can move on to the website to see some more detailed features if you're wanting to have a deeper look. The next pro, which they really also bank upon, is that they have predictive emojis. I haven't come across this in other features as well. When you're typing in a sentence, predictive emoji will automatically pop up. So that helps you save some time, probably around 10 minutes is a span, you could say. They also have trending hashtags. And while you're typing a hashtag, say you're typing a hashtag marketing, you will see a small pop-up come up with similar suggestions of hashtags. So it could be internet marketing, digital marketing, Instagram marketing. These hashtags will pop up. So again, it's saving you some time to understand what the trending hashtags are. The sixth one is that they have UTM parameters building. Again, something that I haven't seen in the competition that I've done. With the UTM parameter building, you can create a link which will help you, of course, track your revenue and sales once you integrate it with your analytics platforms. So that's something they offer as well. The seventh pro is that they have a dedicated Facebook group. So if you're looking to be part of a community and see what kind of updates they have, what's happening around their channel, it's very easy to do that. It's a super active group. I checked it around, and they put their key features and key updates usually there, so you will have to be on it. And they boost to have around 9,000 users annually. Eighth, again, the key USP that they use is that they have AI generated auto captions plus royalty free images. So when you're typing in a content, and if you're typing it quite a few times, AI will help you predict it. So that will help you, of course, save time writing in sentences. This happens with predictive search that you must have seen in your Google or Hotmail email accounts as well. So it's kind of similar to that concept. And of course, having royalty-free images saves you the time from going into Shutterstock or any other platform that you want to get free images from. Ninth, good one for Hootsuite customers. If you're already a Hootsuite customer, you have ability to do a plugin quite easily. So that's a positive for you. And also this is available on Android and iOS app. So that's also a great plus. Then moving on to another pro, they do text translation into any language. That's what they are promoting in their website. So that's also a really great skill if you want to type in contact in different languages. The 12th really cool one that they boost about is the Amazon Alexa skill auto post. What this means is really if you have some video content or writing content, you can schedule it into the Alexa device, into people's homes, literally. This happens, of course, when the customer has opted in to be able to view this. So if a customer has opted in, you can really come into their living room and present your skills. And this, I think, is really great for underdogs, where you can market right to the customer face-to-face within their living room. Third, you can auto post reels. This is a very latest update that they have, I think just 2 weeks back. And if you want to look at the Facebook video, you can watch it here. Again, I just wanted to shout out on their key USP, so you have it right and super clear in front of you. So what do they say? Schedule posts in advance across multiple platforms, leverage Hellowoofy content library filled with top trending topics, articles, blogs, hashtags, etc. for inspiration. Massive library of royalty-free images and content, our AI auto generation suggestions, caption ideas as you write. And then it's mentioning, of course, the OL methods. This way it's telling you what you're saving in on. Then the next part, we're just going to move on to some cons, so you guys have a better overview of understanding if this is your solution or not. The biggest con that I see is Hellowoofy promotes to be a one-stop solution for all. So it's not focusing on any specific industry. So if you're someone that has a social media account specifically focused on Instagram and TikTok, or blog writing on Medium, you are maybe at a loss because their updates are going to span across all of these channels. So they're not focusing on one specific niche. And whereas you take an example of later.com or Preview, they focus specifically on Instagram and Reels and TikTok. So you know that's the place you want to be. So if you are in a super specific niche, this could be a hard one, as they might not be rolling out as many updates as these other platforms will be, which have niches. The second biggest con is not having a free plan available. I genuinely think for you guys as well, having a free plan, it just helps you to navigate if this is something you're working with, you're not able to work with or not. The third biggest con for me that I have mentioned is they don't have any live customer support. So this is super important if you're a solopreneur or anyone really, because you want to be able to contact someone if anything's crashed, anything's not saved, anything's not working. And I think it's super important. You could do this on their Facebook community, and they do have a phone number mentioned there, but they don't have live customer support, probably because of the limited team size that they have. So this could be a downer if you're looking for a super quick support. The app site is only available in English as far as I've understood. So if you're a native Spanish speaker or French speaker and prefers the site or app to be in French or Spanish, this could be a bit tricky for you. The fifth one, not a big con, but just what shouting out to you guys, the scheduling area does not have a preview picture available. So in a lot of platforms, you're able to see your previews day to day on an image version. I couldn't see that from their videos if it's available or not. So I've mentioned that as a con. The next biggest con, I think, is that they don't have any measurement tools. So all the competitors offer measurement tools. So if you decide to go with Hellowoofy, you will have to then onboard another tool where you can run your analytics from. The next con is that the videos on sites are not super engaging, so you need to have super good attention. They're super easy to understand, super relevant, but then they're just not engaging. So that's just a quick one that I mentioned. So the next topic we're going to look at is how user-friendly is it for you guys? So the first thing you will notice is that it's a bit crowded. I've mentioned screenshots here. It can be a bit crowded. They have a lot of information floating in a lot of pages because they want to show a lot, be a lot. So just be aware of that. There's a lot of content and a lot of things thrown at you. Second, you will need to check their Facebook group for updates. So if you're someone who does not want to be part of a community and does not have the time to look at these Facebook groups, it could be a challenge for you. Third, the website usability in general seems okay. I downloaded the app to test it as well. Seems okay. I didn't have any hiccups, no speed errors, nothing. So it seems very easy to use. And navigation on the site is also very easy. All your questions are pretty much answered, whatever you're looking for. Fifth, again, they do not have any customer live support pop-up. So for example, I had a question on a pricing plan that I specifically wanted to ask, but I don't have any customer live support pop-up. So I would have to send them either an email or call them in their US number. I'm located out of US, or send them a message on their Facebook group. So I would have to wait a bit. This is just one thing for you guys to know in terms of usability. Now we're going to move on to the competitor analysis. So this is a very world famous one, Hootsuite. So just quick highlights over here. 3 months free trial offers measurement tools, which Hellowoofy does not offer. They focus a lot on Instagram marketing and TikTok, aggressively mentioning this across their platforms. So if you're someone looking for Instagram and TikTok, this could be a better option for you, but they are a bit pricey. So definitely look at their plans before you do this. Second one that is super useful, and I personally love this, is Buffer. Why? Because it has a lot of amazing things to offer. The first thing is you have a lot of legit customer reviews on the homepage. You have analysis, which Hellowoofy does not have. Also available in app, they have official partnerships with Meta and LinkedIn marketing, which means that it's easy feasibility, accountability, API tracking. Also gives you an understanding on how often to post. So their tracking and their analysis helps you understand how often should you be posting. They offer you a 14-day free trial plan. They have a free always on trial plan or always on plan, which really helps. They have an ability to check comments plus prioritize, probably by AI powered software. So what I mean here is, say you have a comment of a shirt that you're selling and you have 100 comments on that Instagram post. They have the ability to prioritize which comment is more useful. So someone asking, how can I order this, will be prioritized over someone saying, wow, this is amazing. So they have the power with their AI tool to be able for you to get the right comments on top. So if you're someone who has a shop, this is definitely a super plus that you want. They also have a free software to create a start page. So if you want to create something like a link tree or a homepage about you, this is great. They also can help you build custom reports, which is really great if you have a customer that you want to quickly send reports to. So this is what their plan looks like. Now it's $5 per channel. So remember this per channel. So if you have 5 channels, this is becoming as 5 5s are $25 per channel. So it's already more expensive than Hellowoofy's plan. And if you're only one looking to boost on Instagram, you can try the free plan or essential plan. So this is what kind of tells you how it is. And you can post here, 2,000 posts can be scheduled. And in the essential plan, you have 1 person, the rest has unlimited. So again, very low team members, whereas Hellowoofy offers you a lot of team members. So that's a plus on Hellowoofy's side. The next site we're going to analyze is Socialmonials. What I think this website is personally really giving a heads up over Hellowoofy is the fact that it has a lot of e-commerce related things. If you're an e-commerce platform, this could be advantages over Hellowoofy depending on what you're looking for. But Socialmonials offers advanced analytics, e-commerce tracking, capability to drag and drop in your calendars, bulk upload image posts, approximately 500 of them, ability to track revenue and leads. They do this by installing a pixel at your checkout, and it's probably the only platform that does this. It can shorten your Bitly links, multi-device tracking. It supports user-generated content, also has a free 14-day trial, and also has a really cool refer a friend program that you can integrate to from here. This is what their price plan looks like. Again, this is more expensive than what Hellowoofy is offering you. But it depends on your needs. If you're someone looking specifically for e-commerce, this is good. If you're looking somewhere specifically for scheduling, Hellowoofy is the one for you. Then the next one is later.com, also a super famous one. What does it do? It's offering you a free time trial plan, ability to save shareable photos from other creators. So this is really cool, where if you're a lifestyle business and you're looking at another furniture creator, you want to be able to share their content. So it easily lets you save, schedule, and share that. Also offers analytics. It also gives you the ability to understand which is the best time to post on Instagram based on your trends where you're seeing more traction come in. This is available in Spanish and English. This is what their plan looks like. Again, more expensive than the Hellowoofy plan already. So you can have a look at the details and see if this is suitable for you. And in terms of users, you have 1 user, 3 users, 6 users. Again, very small compared to Hellowoofy. It's offering you a lot more user capabilities and a lot more options versus later.com. Next, we're going to look at, is it built for buying, and what is the emotional content when you're looking to buy at Hellowoofy? So when you're looking to invest in this software for your business needs, you're investing in an app that's main USP is AI-powered speech at the moment. And it's found that it's super involved. You will see that within the website, you will see that within the Facebook group or any other platform and channel that you follow, and they have a lot of funding rounds going on. So it seems that it's a website that will keep growing. So if you're someone who wants to be an underdog, supporting an underdog, then this is a good one for you. Thank you. That's all from me. Thank you so much. I hope it was useful for you.